Alright, we're going to keep it simple this time. I'm just going to play my guitar natural, straight through the pickup, and then I'll turn on the ToneDexter and hopefully you can hear the difference. This is the guitar bypassing the ToneDexter, so you just hear what comes off my pickup. Okay, now we'll turn the ToneDexter on and this is what it sounds like. And that's it. And then I guess I can play either one of those back with the guitar track turned off so you can hear just what it sounds with the mic on the camera. See ya.